Hi Leos, welcome back. This is your special reading for the next 24 hours. So, we will be picking few cards for your general energies, your career situation, and relationship, Leos. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So, we will pick few more cards from here. More cards for your circumstances, Leos. And Leos, I request you to watch this reading till the end because at some point of this reading, you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today in your circumstances. So let's start with this card here, Leos, in your situation today. You are, what to say, you are clear about what you need today, your intentions are clear, you know what you want, but there is some kind of what to say, something you are wishing for. Maybe you are quite happy wherever you are right now, but there are certain things you wish to change or you are expecting to see a change. This is not the way of life for you. There has been some changes that has happened and something is not in your control. So there may be some health problems or you are in a situation, you are in a different situation, in a little difficult circumstance. You wish for this situation to change, but you are not seeing any changes or outcome, immediate outcome. So we have Knight of Swords. So, some kind of truth is coming to you guys, some kind of action or some kind of clarity, something is coming into light. So, you will know what is the truth, what is the reality, some kind of knowledge or um, whatever you need to know, whatever you need to address or change. So that is coming to you, that knowledge is coming to you, or clarity is reaching you today. And it may be a difficult thing for you to understand, but it is coming for you. So we will see more cards, the Empress and Six of Pentacles in reverse. So, just like I said, maybe with this truth or with this new knowledge, you will know what will work for you. So, some kind of a change, a beginning is coming to you guys. Though you are in a difficult situation, though you are in a lot of stress, some troubles are there, struggles are there, you are going through all that, but you are going to see a change, a beautiful beginning, a new spark, a new something, a new atmosphere is unfolding for you, a new change of residence or change of place of work. Some changes are coming for you, Leos. And we have Strength in reverse and Six of Wands in reverse. So, you need to be more focused instead of feeling lost or sad over the things that has gone wrong or all the things that you missed or some mistakes you made. You must be confident, see what is coming for you, ready for the future. And there may be a lot of fears on your mind, fears thinking about the future, what you will do. Maybe there is someone close to you, you are very much worried about this person. It may be your sibling, a child, or a parent. You're worried about their health or some problems you have. So, a lot of fears on your mind, but you need to understand that whatever is happening for a reason, and you should be ready to face it courageously instead of wishing that things were different or hoping for things to change, hoping for your circumstances to change. Instead of doing all that, if you just accept your circumstance as it is, you will know the right plan or the way or the action you need to take up to make things right in your life, Leos. So you will get the answers you need if you are courageous enough. But I see that you have a lot of fears and you are feeling really weak. But you must try to overcome the fears you have. If you do that, you will see beautiful answers coming towards you, coming towards um, giving you the right path or showing you the right path in your life. So, we will see more cards for your circumstances. It's the hangman in reverse and star. So just like I said, you have some confusions about something, whether to go this way or that way, what is it? But you are going to reach clarity very soon because things are going to fall into place and you will definitely know what will work for you in your life, what will be the right thing, what will be the right choice. So you will get the answers you need very soon, Leos. Answers are coming to you. And whatever hopes, wishes, plans you have for your future, you will know the path to reach all those, reach your dreams and goals, and whatever wishes you have for yourself. So we will see the final two cards, the final outcome. Beautiful, guys. It's Ace of Wands and Three of Wands in reverse. So there is going to be a very big news, a very big surprise waiting for you, Leos. Something you never expected. These cards are the cards for the final outcome, your future. So something beautiful is coming towards you and it is going to make you very happy. You are going to feel so confident and happy because something beautiful, it is going to change the way things are going in your life today. So good things are coming towards you, Leos. You need not worry, you need not feel sad or weak. All you need to have is acceptance towards the way things are going and face your circumstances courageously because very soon your situation is changing definitely. With this card here, I can assure you that. So that is the energy here with these cards for you all. Thank you for watching, Leos. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, Leos.